hooks it and fade first.
Alright, Jenny and Tyler, I'm going to put both of you over on the couch. And not going to let you up if you do not get away from this chicken. Get over on that box where I told you to go.
I guess Diane is standing up. It's Diane's sister. Well, I guess somebody in that family works at Baker's. So Bobby, somebody's in the hospital. I was at Mom's and Bobby. They didn't say names. I don't know if maybe Bobby didn't say.
Get on that box now.
Ty?
Ty, get over here on this stool now. You either get over on this stool or go over and sit down on the couch by your mom. Leave the chicken alone.
I don't know if Bobby didn't say a name on purpose or if she didn't know. They said somebody's in the Why does there have such a little head? I stopped at Mago's. Got me a bottle of pop and got cash back. I went to Family Dollar because it looked like there was less tax, and I had to get this on the card. They do cash back. I didn't have to go to Mago's. But they charge you $1.50. Family Dollar charges you $1.50. So I guess I'm glad I did. I paid $1.80 and got a bottle of pop at Mago's. Instead of paying a fee, I used that fee basically.
They must have just started that.
Trisha.
Who? Or?
No, Tommy's soon to be expert.
Oh. Jenny Top! What did I tell you about sitting there's a chicken out wandering around and you're just... Alright, Rick, clean up these two turds, put the chicken away.
I saw turds over there by you.
Okay.
I don't mind having the chicken out, but Jenny and Tyler has definitely got to sit.
I want to get my nuts.
There's what I wanted it out for, was to eat. There's another one right there in front of the cage. Oh, he had some water. That's why you give them water inside the cage so much. That's why I tell you, keep that water in there. Keep water in there with them all the time. Put it here, put it back.
Jenica.
I can't get my mouse out. Can someone get my mouse? I want to get my mouse.
Roll it up. Now, there's water there. Take that dish, put water in, put water in there for it.
I want to get my mouse.
Why? You're scared of it.
Why?
And get the food dish out and give it here so I can put some food, more food in it.
I know, Jenica. Chill.
Britt, you know how I don't want both them big dishes in there. All right, give me the other dish. That one I don't want used. It's got something in it. Put that one down and get the other one out.
This one has stuff in it too.
What?
Food.
Give me the other one. What the crap you do? Look, set that one out. That one needs washed.
You put water and food and then mix it up.
They ain't gonna eat that crap.
Yeah, I did.
It
It
ate it
was.
for a little